Hello everyone, my name is Dorcas. Welcome to my channel. Today class I'll be taking you through the introduction of Pixel Lab, introductory part of Pixel Lab. So we're going to go through how you can use Pixel Lab to do your graphic design. So you can use your smartphone to do great designs using Pixel Lab on your phone. So we're going to go through that. I'll be explaining the tools that we'll be using in Pixel Lab. So stay with me as we go through that. Transition to Pixel Lab. So this is it. So we'll be starting right away with this class. Once you understand these tools right here, you will be able to use Pixel Lab without any stress, and you can do any design. You can go ahead and do any design you want to do on Pixel Lab if you understand how to use these various tools that are here. So we're going to go through that starting immediately. So we're starting with the top tools. So we're starting with this plus icon. So on the plus icon is the first one is text, where you can add text to your design. Text design, you can add text to your design. So this is it. That is text. So you can click here and click on edit, and then you can edit. The next one is current date. You can add dates to your design. It's not really necessary, but if you want to use it. Then stickers. There are different stickers here that you can use for your designs or for logo. We have light LEDs here that can brighten up your work, and you can add other ones, stickers here, different stickers, and even emojis that you can use on your design depending on what you're doing on your design. So the next one is shapes. You can get different shapes. So you go to this arrow and click on it, and then you get other forms of shapes. We have this. You can go back there and change it to circle, whatever shape you want to use on your design. So the next one is from gallery. From gallery is how you can import images from your gallery. So the next one is draw. You can draw some things. You can draw anything you want to draw. We'll go into that in a subsequent tutorial videos. So the next icon here is the save icon. The save icon is the first one is save as project. So whatever you're doing, you save it with the name of what you're doing. Introduction to Pixel Lab. So you save that and you OK it. Then the next one is to save as image. For you to save this work into your device, into your smartphone, so you save it as a PJ, the format you want. So I'm saving this at JPG. Save it as that. Then I can dimension. I will save it at ultra to get the best quality. Save at ultra all the time, and then you can click on save to gallery. Or you can share on these platforms that are here. Then the next one is to share. Then the next icon is the code icon. You can get different codes from here. This says true happiness involves the full use of one's power, and these are different quotes, pre-made quotes on Pixel Lab. And here you have different this icon here. You from these options, this one is use image from gallery. You can import image from gallery. carry. Here is this it. The second one is full screen. You can view your work on full screen. And then the next one is use image from camera. You can snap what you're doing right away. For instance, you want to do a logo and you've carved out that you've drawn it out, so you can just easily snap it and start working on it. So this is still export image, how you can save your image. Then image size, whatever you're doing, if you're doing a banner, a logo, you have to know the size, the width and the height of whatever you're doing, and then you can start designing. You can change it right here. Recover autosave, for instance, you're doing something on your Pixel Lab and maybe your phone goes off or something happens, you can come back here and recover autosave. Wow, so this is where your files, all your works on Pixel Lab have been saved. This is the one we saved. You can see introduction to Pixel Lab, all your works are here. So the next one here is this pencil icon here. This pencil icon is test. You can add test, you can copy, you can add this. The next one is you can copy the test, you can add color to the test, you can take it back and you can take it forward. So this is just it. You can move it here like this, centralize it. So that is that for this icon, and this is the delete icon. You can type on what you want to delete and then click on delete and OK it. So this arrow here is the undo arrow. What, for instance, you deleted something by mistake or you did something and you want to do it, you can just tap on this and undo it. That's it. And this is the zoom icon. You can zoom your work, you can zoom. So once you're done zooming, you can just tap on that and it goes back to normal. So this is a grid. A grid is just for you to your work to be aligned, for all your work to be in the right position. You can use grid and then you can set it the way you want for your work to be aligned and balanced. That's why you use grid. So once you're done using grid, you can then click on it and it goes back to normal. Here is the sections you have, the layers you have on your design when you're designing. This is this one, this one, this one, this one. So we have 4 layers on our design over there. So coming down to the down icons, the down icons here, if you click on this, we'll have our project, my project, the works that you've done on your Pixel Lab here are here. Then this one down is for tests. You can edit the test, you can delete the test, you can copy the test. For instance, you can take, let's say there's a shape here. This is a shape, and this text right here, this text behind it is at the back now, so I can bring it to front. This is it. You can bring it to front, take it to the back. This is how this works. The position, you can move it, increase this and move. You can see it's moving. Then relative position, you want it centralized, you want it to take it to the side. Either way, you can move this and this. So that's all. This one is text size. You can increase the size of the text. This is it. Here is padding. For instance, let's say you can see it here. See how padding works. This is it here. This is the left padding, and you can see the right padding. So here is color. You can add color to it. Texture, you can say you want to take a texture of something. Let's say I'll take this as texture. You can see it. This is texture. This is how texture works. So you can delete it or you can change the texture. This is opacity. You can increase the how fade the color of the text is. You can see it. That is opacity. You can enable it and disable it. So that's all for opacity. Then you can rotate your image. This is the mask in and out. Here you select the font for your design, whatever font you want. You can select it here. These ones are the downloaded fonts. These are the fonts that comes with the Pixel app, and these are the ones you're using recently. So that is that about fonts. Then style, you can make it bold, you can make it italicized, underline, and different options. You can use them. So here you can add background to your text. Let's say this is the background. So you can change the background color. That is that. You can align your text, center, right side, left side, and line spacing between your text. Here is stroke. You can add stroke to your images and increase the stroke. You can see it. That's all. Shadow, you can add shadow, see shadow effect. Emboss, you can add it, you can see it. And perspective, we'll talk more better on this on our next classes. And here under that, you can add different background to your text. These are pre-made backgrounds that you can add to your designs when you're designing. These are pre-made backgrounds that comes with Pixel Lab. You have a shape, you can use this, you can crop it, you can copy. This is for the object image. You can use this for that. This is for the text. The A icon is for text. You can see it here. And here, this is for the background. So I'm going to delete this and delete this. So you can see, you can make the background transparent. The image size here. You can select the image. You can see whichever one you want to use. You can just go ahead and select, or you select background from the so just click on this, you can select, and this is the background. You can see it right here. So that is that. And here you can add verticals. You can see it. Increase the brightness, contrast of the work. So that is that for the introductory part of the class. I hope you liked the video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video. Thank you.